Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know where you are, but I hope you're having a good day. But I bet I'm having a better one because it is my iPhone 12 day. So today I got my iPhone 12 and we got some unboxings to do. So exactly 2.5 weeks ago, Apple released their iPhone 12. Yes, this year's event was 1 month late. They released actually 4 different iPhone 12 models. iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max and a mini. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro is already out. However, iPhone Pro Max and mini will be out in November. At a first glance, you might see it's a white box. This is an Apple packaging especially for France because they had to include earphones. So that's why the box is slightly bigger. But when you open it, just like this, the iPhone box itself is there. Okay, and here it is. It's the normal earphones. Now I had to buy these two accessories additionally, MagSafe charger as well as the USB brick. I love the MagSafe concept. A while ago, Apple released this MagSafe concept for MacBooks. So the same concept now they have brought it for iPhones, which is really cool because I honestly love this magnetic charging. And here it is, the USB-C. It's not that heavy. Here is USB-C power adapter to Lightning. Nothing special here. As you can see, it's a normal brick charger. Now the main event, opening of iPhone Pro. Look how slim it is. It is half of the size of the usual box. Here I have iPhone 7 box. As you can compare, it's half size. Exactly what they have said. It helps them ship double the amount, which will obviously reduce the CO2 emission, which will save the environment or be environmental cautious. So it's good. There are 4 colors available: gold, graphite, silver and a new specific blue. I ended up buying graphite. I low-key regret not buying gold, to be honest, but then again my previous phone was light color, rose gold, so this time I thought, okay, why not go for a darker color. Okay, so enough jibber jabber, it's time to open it now. Excuse my nails. Okay, there it is. As you can see, it's like a matte finish. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is the first time I'm seeing this. It's white color. I don't think it's the same satisfaction as the clear one when you take it out again. But let's do it. Look, but you see now, they were not kidding about the fingerprint factor. You see on the stainless steel band around, you can see the fingerprints. But honestly, this is really, really beautiful. It's square. Also, it's not that heavy either. The SIM card is on this side, unlike the usual ones from this side. Now it's this side. Bonjour. So it's the usual setup, but I want you to see the display part and where is the frame. It's a very wide display, as you can see. Now let's see what is inside the box. So no surprise there, only 2 things inside, which is this cable USB-C to Lightning, and the other part is the SIM card opening pin and Apple sticker. Used to be 2 stickers before, you remember? I know I have been low-key regretting not getting gold, but honestly I think I made the right choice. Just look at it, it's so pretty. Okay, so you can see the two phones side to side. You see the screen size is much different, even though the phone size is not that. So let's see how the magnet actually snaps to the phone. So you can see when you actually snap it out. Okay, so the magnet is actually quite strong, as you can see. I quite like this concept because it really finds the proper sweet spot where it's like easily chargeable. Yeah. Now, you can't have an iPhone without a cover. I'm sure that you have seen the accessories from Apple, the iPhone cases. Honestly, it's not something I am excited to buy, so I did not buy from Apple. The brand I ordered was a brand called Idol of Sweden. I got these two, cover as well as a magnetic ring holder. And you see the little Swedish flag here. So inside, as you can see, there is padding, and this gold band is everything. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Okay, so it does pop in, if you can see. The main thing I want to check on this is how this MagSafe charger will pop into the proper magnetic point of the iPhone even with this cover. So the magnet does not pop up. I did. Alright, it is charging and it popped up very well, so yay. You know what I feel when I'm moving this magnet around, when I go on the bottom, the magnet is quite strong, okay? Really strong. On the top, it's the same as well. But when it comes to the center, the magnet of this is not that strong. Obviously, it is because of the phone magnet, which is meant for the charging. So I think I will only use it on the bottom of the phone so that I'm not interrupting the magnet in the center. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Stay tuned for my review video. If you have more questions on this, put them on the comments and I would love to answer them. Until then, have a good day, have a nice weekend, stay safe and make sure to stay positive. Bye bye.